Hello, phone.
Hello.
That's Helsinki city sighting from Finland. That's one hotel in Finland.
Yeah.
Small one. That's Ari.
Ari, driving,
I don't know, maybe you know that guy.
Go.
That's your husband. That's the Ratikka in Finland.
Spora.
Spora Dagen. That's the stupid guy in Finland. And that's another stupid guy. That's the third stupid guy in Finland. What else you want to see? Soon you can see Kansallismuseo, National Museum in Finland. You can only see it outside because we don't want to go inside. That's in Helsinki, you see. All around in Helsinki. There's the Finlandia house. No, yippee yippee yee. That's the Finnish National Museum.
Joo, kannattaa varmaan kääntää toi, ei Nasilla itekin kääntää.
No vittu vaan ne kattoo ainakin, kun pyörittää näin. Noin. Next one is Finnish Parliament House. It's coming soon. There's the park, small park. There's the Finnish Parliament House.
No, he's coming soon.
It's coming soon. Here, now you can see that. That's the Finnish Parliament House. There's every stupid people sitting there. Smart people sitting outside. That's everything in Finland.
Yeah.
There's something, I don't know what the house is.
Music house.
No music house.
Art house.
Art house, yes.
Art.
Modern art house.
President Mannerheim.
Mannerheim, joo toi
Manski.
good soldier. Yeah. That's the big guy in Finland. Johannes.